Last week, I invested $500 into Bitcoin and $1,000 into my regular investments at Acorn, investing into ETFs. Now, I'm very scared, I'm worried, and there's no in between here. I'm either going to be happy, relieved, or sad, okay? By the way, happy is I made money, let me get out right now. Sad is, oh my gosh, I just lost money. I hate losing money, especially for speculation and experiments, okay? Or I'm gonna be very, what was it, like happy, sad, or what is it, like I'm relieved? That, okay, I'm gonna be relieved if I, if I invested the money and all of a sudden, I ended up making some money, and I just want to get out as fast as possible. And guys, that's why in this video, I'm going to go over all the details on how much money I made from Bitcoin or lost on Bitcoin, or how much money I made from Acorn or lost on Acorn. If you guys don't know me, my name is Ty Bryson. I'm an accountant. I post videos on YouTube every single day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified about a new video. On top of that, hit the like button. Really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow a ton. So thank you so much when you smash that like button. And here's a question for you guys, okay? Comment down below and let me know, do you think I made money or do you think I lost money? Comment down below, let me know. And guys, I'll be honest with you guys, right? I haven't checked my portfolio for Bitcoin and like Robinhood in the past week. And to be honest, when I invested in Bitcoin, in the first 5 minutes I lost $2. By the way, I looked at the market. The market's doing pretty well, so I'm not sure how Bitcoin is doing, but my prediction is this. I might have a gain or I might have a loss. I just don't know, okay? It's unpredictable. So here we go, guys. Before I actually get into the entire thing, I want to go over what I said last week about my predictions and how much money I was going to make and all that information. So here we go, guys. The first thing is this. Last week, I predicted this, okay? Well, last week I had around $557 in Robinhood, and I invested $500 into Bitcoin. Now, I had a 0.12 gain on my entire portfolio, and I predicted either I predicted losing a lot of money or making a lot of money off of Bitcoin because it's so speculative, okay? But when it came to Acorn, I had around $5,790 in that account, and 83 cents, and I predicted that I was either gonna make 1% or lose 1%, but not really like going like more or like crazy like percentages or anything like that. On top of that, I had a 5.71% gain in my Acorn portfolio. So there you go. I'm not expecting like a 7% gain now or 12% gain now like in 1 week. No, I'm expecting like maybe like a 6%, maybe like something, like not so crazy, because again, it is ETFs. They don't really move that much. It's just like, it just tracks the market. It doesn't try to beat the market. So I really like that. On top of that, I also want to go over some of the comments you guys left on that video, that basically 3 types of comments, okay? And here's what you guys said, okay? One comment said specifically, Tommy, great video, but this is 100% gambling. And here's the answer, okay? Yes, I know it's gambling. That's why I made the video, to show you exactly there's so many people out there that they invest in Bitcoin, but they're just gambling because they don't know how to actually determine the value of Bitcoin, how to track the entire thing. So I made this video to show you exactly how it performs between Acorn and Bitcoin, and what's the difference between like investing and speculating. That's the main thing here. On top of that, some people told me, well, Tommy, hold on to the stock because it's going to be a great investment, and last time I ended up missing out, so now I hold on to the stock just in case. And this is called FOMO, fear of missing out, okay? And here's the thing, you might think that, back in 2012 or whatever, oh my gosh, I should have like bought it then, I would have made so much money now. And even one person told me, Tommy, back then I had an entire wallet worth around like $50 worth of Bitcoin, and I lost it cleaning, and now I hold on to Bitcoin because you never know what's going to happen. On top of that, there was another guy that said, it's a long-term investment, but I trade it every single day. And I'm like, okay, that sentence doesn't make any sense, okay? You're saying that it's a long-term investment, but you trade it every single day. When it's a long-term investment, you hold on to it for a very long time, and then you sell it at a very high price. So you're telling me you trade it. That's not really a long-term investment, okay? It's kind of like called like active income. You're trying to make active income from it, so it's kind of different. Don't really agree with that one. And the last comment I read that was really interesting was, well, it's a great investment, and here's why. And it just stopped right there. There's nothing else, okay? Because most of the people tell me, well, Tommy, it's a great investment because you can send money, a lot of money, overseas, and there's no fee, okay? No crazy fee like the dollar or like all these regulations. On top of that, well, it's a great investment because guess what? Because the US dollar is no longer backed up by gold, but it is backed up by the US government, which is a big deal also. So all these comments usually start with, US dollar and gold, but hey, it's still backed up by the US government, and it's regulated by like the Fed, and they do a very good job of controlling like, you know, inflation and also unemployment statistics. So I trust that way more than someone telling me like, you know, blockchain is so awesome and here's why. I'm waiting. How do you quantify it? I don't know. Okay, let's just stop right there. By the way, I don't know the legality of sending money Bitcoin. I think he said like $1 billion was sent over Bitcoin, like for a $7 fee, like a $30 fee, and I was like, okay, that sounds very sketchy. Like, for example, imagine like you were gonna do like bad things like overseas, like just like send you so much money and it was like unregulated. That's insane to me. It's scary, and I'm not really a big fan of that. So there you go. That's my take on that. So guys, now that we know what I expected, what you guys thought with the comments, I actually want to, by the way, some people actually agree with you by saying like, hey Tommy, you're gonna make money or you're gonna lose money, and that's what I thought also. Okay, but here we go, guys. Wait no longer. I'm gonna tell you exactly how much money I made or how much money I lost with Bitcoin. And here we go. I'm nervous, I'm slowing down, I'm worried, and let's go into it. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is actually show you my Acorn portfolio and show you how it's been performing. So here we go. Let's go into Acorn. Boom. Let's go into Acorn. And here we go. Good morning, Tommy, or good night, Tommy. And my total value over here is around $6,038 because, again, I did have a lot of referrals from you guys because a lot of you guys joined after this video. I made some money from referrals, and I also, what is it, like I think it was like a promotion where you invite 3 people and you get $100, so then that made me some money also. But here's the thing, guys, I made an extra $300, which is great, but here's what we came for, okay? And it's how much money I actually gained or made. And here it is, guys. So far, I've made around 5.70% on Acorn, okay? This means that last time I think I had around 5.71%, which means I lost around 0.01%, which is like no big deal. And that's what I thought, you know, like, you know, whenever you invest into these things, they don't really move that much. They kind of stay the same. And my total gain is around $325.72, which is, you know, it's pretty cool. And I'm expecting at the end of the year to have around a 12% gain or like 7% gain depending on the market, but that's what I'm expecting every single year. So again, this is pretty good, what I expected also, so there's nothing crazy here. It's exactly what I thought. Now if you want some more details, let's go into performance right here and let's actually see my entire like things right here. And so far today I gained like 0.06% on Vanguard. And I also gained, by the way, this is like the international ones, I gained around, well, I lost some money here, which is like negative 0.26%. But again, guys, in total, I only lost around 0.01% by investing into Acorn. That's why I like it so much, because it's kind of like secured, and you know you're tracking the market, you're not going to lose a ton of money out of nowhere. Now, for the drum roll, please, let's go into Robinhood. By the way, I promise you, I haven't checked Robinhood since our last time, okay? So here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go into Robinhood and let's see what happened, okay? By the way, comment down below and let me know. Don't cheat. Do you think I made money or do you think I lost money? Comment down below right now before I click this button, okay? 1, 2, 3. It's too late if you haven't done it. Let's go into it right now. By the way, I love these games. Let's go into it. Oh my gosh. Okay, put my face here. And there you go, $560. Now, if I remember correctly, my portfolio value last time I did this entire thing, well, it was around $557. So in total, I made around $4. And I remember last time I was at a 12% gain, or like 1-2%, whatever you want to say. You know, now I'm a little higher, but for today, I actually made a loss of $3. So if I had done this video maybe a little earlier today, I would have probably been up a whole okay, I would have probably been up a whole $6. So let's go into Bitcoin right now. By the way, let's go into free stocks, because again, guys, I'm gonna do that like after the video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how many people actually signed up for Robinhood and what stocks I got when you guys signed up. Again, if you want to participate, use my link down below to sign up for Robinhood, and you get 1 free stock. It can be Apple, but usually they give you like, you know, like low stocks, like it worth like maybe like $5-15. But again, a free stock is a free stock. So there you go. But we're gonna do that after the video. Stick around in the video. But here we go, guys. Let's go into Bitcoin and see exactly what happened here. Okay, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and my equity is $502. So in reality, I made $2.88 by investing into Bitcoin, which means that I actually made more money in Bitcoin than I did into my ETF investments. But what this also means is this, okay? that look at the trajectory here. You see all this movement? This is a lot of movement, which means that, you know, although I made this is 1 week, okay? Look at this. This took a huge dip. I don't know what day because it doesn't say, but it took a huge dip. Let me see if I can flip it around. Okay, right here. It took a, well, I don't think I can flip it. That's so weird. But yeah, it took a huge dip right here. Then it went back up, then back down, then back up, back down. That's what I don't like about this stuff, you know. And that's not like, okay, you know, it's because this happened. No, it's because usually speculation going on, and no one really knows what's going on. Okay, so guys, in totality, that's what happened. Acorn, I lost 0.01%, but I'm pretty happy with it. Why? Because again, I lost 0.01%, but overall, I've gained around 5.70% or 5.70%. I say that because people like to tell me after decimal is supposed to be like, you know, like just say the numbers, don't say like 70%. That's so weird. Okay, well, I'm telling you right now, I learned my lesson. That's why I'm saying 70%. Okay, but the main thing is this: I lost money in Acorn, but it's steady investing, and I know for a fact that over the long term, I will be making money on this. Because why? Not because I think so, but because I know that ETFs and the record that has been going for like the past 100 years or so show that over time they track the market and they make money. There's history here. But with the Bitcoin, I might have gained $2, but in reality, I don't know how long this is gonna stay here because again, dip up, dip up, dip up. You don't. So quick update here, guys. Just want to be honest here and transparent. Before you watch this entire video, I just want to say this quick update. While I was editing this video, it's literally been like around an hour or like half an hour or so. It's like 11:16 now. You can see the time on the entire entire timeline on the screen recording, like what time it was. Well, during that entire time, I've literally lost 4%, almost 5% of the value of my entire portfolio because of Bitcoin. So again, this is why I say this stuff is so crazy, okay? One moment you're making $4, in the next like 5 minutes you're losing like $22 in total because I just lost 4% of my portfolio. Why? No one knows. Completely speculative. It just does things by random. Nobody, like, yo, tell me the value of Bitcoin. Just comment down below. Tell me the value of Bitcoin, okay? Just like that, guys. In literally 30 minutes, I just lost 4% of the entire valuation of my entire portfolio. That's all it takes. That's why I don't take risks with speculating. But still comment down below and let me know if you want me to invest another $500 and hold it for the entire year. Comment down below. Let me know. Know what's gonna happen here. But guys, here's a question before I show you the investments I actually got by you signing up for Robinhood. I actually want to tell you one thing, okay? What do you think I should do? Should I go ahead, okay? Should I go ahead and hold on to Bitcoin until the end of the year to show you guys a bigger perspective, or should I sell Bitcoin right now and get out what I still can? Comment down below, let me know. I want to know. By the way, comment down below, like the video, and I swear to God, right, I'll be honest with you, I will be making the decision based on what you guys think, because again, it's all an experiment to show you exactly how Bitcoin and speculative investments perform based, well, compared to like, you know, like Acorn and more secured investments. So comment down below and let me know. Now, let's go into what we actually got by you guys signing up for Robinhood. Again, whenever you sign up for Robinhood and use my link down below, you get a free stock. And let's see how many people actually signed up for like Robinhood after I made that video. Let's go into it. Now, claim free stocks. And okay, so I got a free stock here. And let me claim it. I just scratch it off. And I got, like I said before, guys, it's not nothing crazy here. It's not going to be like Apple. You know, like, okay, this is worth $6 a share. Pretty cool. 6 of you guys actually signed up for the entire thing, so that means 6 different stocks. So that means I'm gonna show you guys 6 different like stocks that I got. So let's go into it, guys. So first, okay, let's go into this guy right here. By the way, I'm gonna block out your name because I don't want you guys to be like, okay, Tommy, I did it because I trusted you. Now everyone knows my name out there, so I'm gonna like blur you out. But if you wanted to know, you wanted like a shout out, just comment down below. I'll give you a shout out next time, okay? But here we go. The next one is GE, General Electric. Again, only $9 a share. Nothing crazy here, okay? I'm not expecting anything crazy. And here we go. Let's pick the one on the right. By the way, it's my bedtime. The one on the right. And let's scratch this one off. And I actually got F for Ford. Again, $9 a share. I'm not expecting anything crazy. This is like normal. So whenever you sign up, you might get like $9, $15. And if you get lucky, you might get $200. If you do get like $200, just like send me like a DM on Instagram at Tommy Bryson, and I want to see like how you got so lucky. Okay, now let's go again. We got 3 more, and let's pick the one on the right now. This is my right. This is my left. Okay, my left now. Let's go. And we actually got FIT, Fitbit, okay? I got that one already. And guess what? $3. And let's pick the one in the middle again. Oh my gosh. By the way, I wonder what are the odds of this actually being like a crazy big stock. Because I feel like, you know, Robinhood does like, you know, like, oh, right, middle, left. But in reality, you'll still get the same one, okay? I'm not sure. You know, it's no big deal. Let's keep going. Oh, now I got Siri. I think this is like, what is this stuff? I forgot like what this company is about, but I have it also. Oh my god. Let's go. Claim. And we actually got another one, FIT. But guys, in totality, now my portfolio is valued at around $599 because you guys signed up. So again, whenever you guys signed up, I get a stock, you get a stock, we both get free money, so why not sign up down below. So guys, in totality, off this one video, in theory, I made an extra, like, what is it, like an extra like $40, so crazy numbers here. But off of Bitcoin, I only made around $2. So is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Well, the answer is I don't think it's worth it at all. But comment down below. Don't forget, do you think I should hold on to it for an entire year or sell it right now? Comment down below. Let me know. And before I go, guys, as always, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video. Appreciate it. Helps the channel grow a ton, so thank you so much. On top of that, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And also, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, una, just DM me on Instagram at Tommy Bryson. I answer all my DMs. And before I go, here's the last video I did on Bitcoin. And you can click it right now and watch that video. And if you want to subscribe to the channel right now on mobile, just click my face right here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And then thanks for watching, and peace.